everybody. My name is Emma, and I just turned 7, and I asked my dad if I could learn how to weld. This is only my second day, but let me show you what I learned so far. We have to clean up the rust and the paint from the metal to be able to weld it. This is what I'm going to use. Next thing you do is put your ground cam on. And make sure it's square. Now that that's ready, let's get our gear on. My daddy needs to get me stuff that fits me. We need to put the wire speed on 7 and the heat on 6. This is hard to turn. It's hard to turn, really. Time to turn it on.
Here we go. It's really hot. Daddy's heavy. My daddy said it's stuck together, but I'll get better at welding. Tell me what you think, and thanks for watching.